Hi, today we're going to learn how to log in and download ArcGIS Pro. And to do that, we're going to go to unorthtexas.maps.arcgis.com. Make sure you have uNorth Texas. Enter. That will bring up your Esri login screen. You'll click on the blue button here, University of Texas. This will bring you to your Canvas login page. You want to enter your here. And once you have those credentials entered in, it'll bring you to this new page here. You can see up here my name has already been listed, and this is my new username for my. You'll want to take note of it. So from here, we're just going to click on our username, go to My Settings, and we'll scroll down the page here to Licenses. And we'll see that ArcGIS Pro is listed right here as a downloadable file. We'll download this file. You want the most recent version, and just read through when your download is complete. Start the installation program, which is really what you're downloading. So we'll hit download. This can take a little bit depending on your computer. You see down here it's a 1.7 gig file. So ensure you have that much storage space on your computer, preferably a little more, because you're going to be creating projects with it. And so I skipped ahead, and to save some time, I skipped ahead and downloaded this program. It took me about 3 or 4 minutes, but it's complete now. So what we'll do from here, if you're in the Chrome browser, want to click on this here, show in folder. If you're in pretty much any other browser, all you really need to do is go to your downloads folder, and you can find that by going to this PC download, and that will show you a program. So in any case, we can also find that here, this folder, and we'll go ahead and run that installation program. And we'll see where it wants to download to. The default is fine here. Next, I'm gonna do a lot of things and take a lot of time, so be prepared to spend at least 15 minutes to maybe 30 minutes to install everything, depending on the speed of your computer. But I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and we'll skip ahead to this. Okay, so the installation files have been successfully extracted to my computer. We're going to go ahead and launch the setup program. Hit close, and that will launch it. Close is program. Read all this. You hit next. Make sure and read the master agreement. Accept. Next. This is fine. If you're on a shared computer, you may want to use it for only one computer, but it really doesn't matter all that much. So I'm just going to hit next on my computer. You'll hit next on this. You can choose to participate in the Experience Improvement Program. Doesn't really matter either way. I'm going to keep mine selected. Really like it. And so this is the install process, and this can take a while as well. It says it may take several minutes. It could take it could take quite a while depending on the speed of your computer. But again, I'm just going to go ahead and hit pause, and I'll come back. This has finished installing. Okay, so ArcGIS Pro has successfully been installed, and we will click the Finish button to exit the installation and get ArcGIS Pro to run. Finish, and we'll wait for ArcGIS to start up. And I think you'll notice as soon as we open it up, it's much different in appearance than ArcMap. Up, There it goes. But you can already see it's quite a bit more modern looking, for its interface than ArcMap. And the new ArcGIS Pro uh, basically looks like a lot of Windows programs, toolbars and things of that nature. So we're just going to wait for it to finish initializing and open up. It is open. Okay, so if you want to take a real quick tour of it, just to do that, we can hit Map. If you remember, there's blank templates in ArcMap. Here's on your home screen. So we'll click on Map. It'll store everything in a project folder. I'm going to call this Project Sample. You'll see where your projects and all your data are going to be stored in location here. So you'll want to refer back to that if you want to find your. We'll just hit OK. Blank template will appear. Okay, and so we're opening Map. And it's loading the map. And you'll see automatically that you get a nice topographic map shows up for you. And you can see that you have your toolbars here, much more like Windows products. And you can play around a little bit with this. I mean, the zoom function is much smoother. And you can go to Map here, and this, your functions. You've got your fixed zooms, your full extent here. You can add a base map here. This is where you would add data. Got your Arc catalog that's instantly docked over here. And you can actually dock this pane if you wanted. You can move along to insert, and that's how you'd create a new layout. Pretty much the same as how you would do ArcMap. Analysis, that's basically for your geoprocessing tools, network analysis, feature analysis. It'll stop creating the geoprocessing cache. Come on. Come on. Or two. Okay, so now that that is finished creating it, geoprocessing tools are right here. Play around with the view on it here, geoprocessing. Here's where you would, here's your edit menu where you create here. Just basically all the tools that you're used to seeing in ArcMap, they're find here. Play around with some imagery over here. If you were georectification, there's actually a really great way of publishing to the web. Share projects, you can share maps. This is how you create export map, create your print map or JPEGs. And that's pretty much it as far as the tools. Now what you'll notice over here is that I'm not signed in. You receive this status right here. What you want to do is go to sign in. Window will come up. Enter U, North, Texas. Continue. Sign in again. You'll just put in your Canvas credentials here. After you enter in that information, see that signed in here. Shows that I'm logged in under the University of North Texas system. And that's pretty much it.